Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. For that you want to go to your phone icon and then go to the three little dots, go to settings, and now you have a few different options. You can go to caller ID and spam, and then you can turn on see caller and spam ID, so identify businesses and spam numbers. And then you can also turn on filter spam calls, so prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. You can turn that on. Then you can go back and you can click on blocked numbers, and now you can say numbers not in contacts, block numbers that are not listed in your contacts. Then you can block private numbers, so block callers that do not disclose their number. Then you can say block payphones, so block calls from payphones. You can also say to block unknown, so block calls from unidentified callers, and then you won't receive calls or messages from these numbers. But you can also say to add a number, and then you can put in a specific phone number here and say block, and then this number will not be able to reach out to you anymore. So then you can go back and hopefully enjoy the silence. So that's how you can block numbers on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.